In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track earnings on Patreon dashboard. If you want a clear, reliable picture of how much you actually made on Patreon each month, the earnings dashboard is the place to go. It's designed to show what has been fully processed for your account, so you're not guessing based on projections or pending charges. Think of it as your monthly truth. Clean, reconciled numbers you can use for planning and reporting. From your creator home, look to the left sidebar and click Insights. Once you're in, select the Earnings tab. This is where all of your key revenue details live in one organized view, so you can quickly understand performance without digging through multiple pages. Front and center, you'll see a breakdown of gross versus net. Gross revenue is the total amount charged to supporters before any fees are taken out. Net income is what remains after Patreon's platform fees, payout fees, and applicable taxes. Net is the number that matters for your budgeting because it's the amount you actually receive. It's normal for net to be lower than gross. Those deductions are listed so you can understand exactly where the difference comes from. To make the data even more useful, use the filters. You can change the date range to the past 6 months, the past year, or set a custom window if you want to track a specific campaign or compare seasonal trends. Consistent time windows help you spot patterns like month-over-month growth or the impact of a new tier. You can also filter by earnings type. Choose membership to focus on recurring supporter payments, or switch to shop sales to isolate one-time purchases. Separating these views helps you see which revenue stream is driving results and how changes to your offerings affect your bottom line. Another crucial section is declines and refunds. Here you'll see exactly how much was lost to declined payments or issued as refunds in a given month. Declines can happen for lots of reasons: expired cards, insufficient funds, or bank restrictions, and they affect what ultimately lands in your net. Keep an eye on spikes or unusual changes. They're signals to review your recent activity, timing, or communications. Use this dashboard regularly as your single source of truth. Review gross to understand overall billing activity, net to know what you actually keep, filters to focus your analysis, and declines and refunds to protect your revenue. With these tools, you'll have a clear, actionable view of your Patreon earnings every month.